Hello guys, friends of old Benzes. Power seats are great, right? Well, when they work. Here's an episode of Stray Benzes about power seats on the S-Class Benz, but they also work obviously on some of the other Benzes of the 123 as well as definitely the 124 series. So here we go. There we go. That's on an S-Class Benz. The power seats, memory seats, well used and abused. And if with the door open, nothing happens, well, there could be a couple of pieces of trouble. First things first. Remember, with the door closed and the key not in the ignition and on 1 or 2, the seats won't move, so don't even try it. When you have the key out and you're just getting into your car with the door open, that is when you have the power seats work. When you're not sitting in, well, yes, you can be sitting in it or not, but with the door open, the darn thing should move. So here with the door open, everything is working, and even the memories function works. All right. Now here, my friends, is what you need. You need a multimeter set to volts in DC. Here are the two fuses that you need to be worried about, and there are A and B. These two right here. They're for the memory seats, and just see what happens when I put that on. Oh. And as you can see, nothing happens because the door needs to be open. And now I should have my 12 plus volts on A and on B. Alright, that's the first step. What to do when the seats don't work, when both seats don't work. When only one seat works, then most likely has nothing to do with the main power supply. It has actually got something to do with the memory switch, and you've got to change that one. And there's another video of how to take the card out, the door card out, and how to get to it. But more on that on another episode. Give me a thumbs up. Give me or go ahead and give me a couple of suggestions what to cover next. One other thing would be the seats themselves and the motors and the headrest. That's another video that I'm going to put up and see what else you can troubleshoot with that, and also a little bit about the memory seat module. See ya. Give me a thumbs up. Hit subscribe on the Benz symbol. That's going to be flashing right about now. And until next time, good luck with your old car and enjoy.